Hi. With this package, it looks like it's contributed to frequently, so it's probably getting a lot of updates. So if you go down to here, right, to installation, right, it says that you can go straight to the releases page, which I'll show you, and you can unzip a folder, no installation required. This is an option. This is the easiest option if you want to do that. However, I think, like, logically speaking, with each release, you'd probably need to like re-download it from the website, which you can totally do if you want to do, or you can install with pip or pip with Python, which I just had to reinstall on my computer, which I can show you how to do that. But I'll start with the installation one first. So I will actually just close out of all of my file explorers, and I'm actually just gonna delete these, and I'll just show you how I did it. So basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go up to the releases tab. On the releases tab, they have stuff like, beta, and then if you go back further, there's ones that are alpha. It looks like this is the latest one. It was updated 18 hours ago. What you can do is you can just expand the assets menu, and depending on what machine you have, you can choose Mac or Linux, whatever. I happen to download the Windows one, or you can download, actually no, don't download the source code one, as I'm thinking about it. That'll just give you everything raw. But if you download the Windows one, you just click that. It's going to download real quick. And once it downloads, you're going to extract it all to your downloads, your desktop, whatever. And when you open it up, you're going to want to double click the file, obviously. More info, run anyway. See, so that took a little bit of a second, but obviously it opened the command prompt, and then it opened up the comic tagger software. So it says some plugins have moved. It just reminds you might want to screenshot it, that if you wanted to download any of these plugins, this is where you're going to put it. You're going to put it in the plugins folder. You could just hit OK, and then it gives you more information. OK. And then this is where you can work on it. But in case you wanted to install it with PIP, you can do that as well. So to ensure you have PIP or pip, I don't really know what it's called, but to ensure you have that, you have to make sure that Python is installed. You just download it from the Python website. And then if you just look up how to install PIP, it'll take you to the official pip website. And what you need to do is just run this command, or actually the Windows, either way, you can run either one, but you're just going to want to run this command inside of your command prompt. Now, I'll run it to show you what it looks like. It's not going to look like the same for me, but it'll show you basically that either you have it installed. Oh, I have to take this part out. Hold on. So I already have it installed, so I don't have to worry too much about it. I can X out. If you try to type PIP or PIP3 in your command prompt and it doesn't show up, what helped me was doing, I guess, this same command, but just without the word upgrade for some reason. If you just do PIP-3 -m ensure pip, and then it works just the same, which is really nice. If it still doesn't work, what I had to do was exit the command prompt and just rerun it. Okay, so now I'm back in my command prompt, so it should work now. You should just make sure that it's working. Awesome, it's running. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to Comic Tagger, the main page of the repository, and they say a pip package is provided, you can install it with this. So they say there's optional dependencies. The GUI obviously installs what I just had open a second ago. You'll definitely want that. Or you can just do all, which will install all of the above. That might be a better way to actually do it, because I think that'll keep it like more updated, or more up to date, I should say. But I'm just going to copy this real quick. And what I'll do is I will just copy and paste this in here, and I'll remove these extra spaces. And as you can see, it starts to download it. Downloads all the dependencies. I think this is a safer way to do it than just going to the releases page, but obviously if you just want to do that, that's totally fine. And it's there. Okay, so let me see comic, and there we go. We have it. So I will just open it, and obviously I can uninstall it afterwards, but I'm able to open it, and it appears that it always takes a moment to open, but there we go.